Snapchat is family. And baby, we know how to have a good time.
Me and my Snap audience are basically besties. Posting on there just feels like you are like oversharing your life with your best friend.
I can be myself on Snapchat. It's raw, it's unedited, it's unfiltered.
A lot of my fans get to see more of my true self.
It means that both my friends and family get to see what I'm up to on a regular basis, and my audience get to connect with me on a very personal level.
My #1 tip or trick when it comes to creating content on Snapchat is the hands-free button.
And I love how there's so many different ways to post on Snap, whether it's like my more high quality videos I can put on Spotlight, I can do my stories really in the moment.
I love to post the questions sticker on Snapchat because I really get to know everyone's more authentic, real opinions on things.
You gotta keep suspense to your narrative. You gotta be like, bada-bum, 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 but wait.
It opens up to the camera, and you can see all this glamorous as soon as you turn on the app.
It's such a good place for musicians to create a visual world around your music that doesn't have to feel so high quality all the time.
It's also so much more personal. You can go on Snapchat at any time, you can connect with your audience at any time, and they just feel like they're hanging out with you. That's the best part about Snapchat.
Snapchat is where it's at. If you're on any other app, God bless you.